I'm Swati. Welcome to Micrograsp. Bacteria, bacteria, bacteria everywhere. The food we eat, the air we breathe, the surfaces we touch, and the natural wonders around us, as bacteria present in it. If you scoop a tablespoonful of soil or a glass of ocean water, scientists say it has as many as million species of bacteria. Some of these bacteria are answer to our questions in the field of medicine, energy, engineering. Out of these million species of bacteria, only few thousands cover up the human body. Some take a permanent residence and some are transient. However, only a fraction can cause diseases in humans. When we encounter an outbreak, perhaps during a pandemic situation like this, how do we know that what the bacteria is capable of, what it does to us? Hence, it is important for us to know how the classification of bacteria is done. Classification of bacteria is done on the basis of mode of nutrition, morphology, optimum temperature for their growth, optimum pH for the growth, salt concentration, gaseous requirement, gram staining, flagella and spore formation. Today, I'll cover about the mode of nutrition and the morphology. If you guys have any doubts in the specific category of the classification, please do comment in the comment section. I'll take it forward in the next video. So let's see the classification of bacteria on the basis of morphology. Morphology is nothing but the shape and the size of the bacteria. In shape, we have three categories: bacilli, cocci and spirilla. Bacilli is a rod-shaped bacteria. In bacillus, we have two categories: diplobacilli and streptobacilli. Diplo, as the name mentions, diplo is two, bacilli is rod. So two rods in the same structure is called diplobacilli. Streptobacilli, strep is nothing but chain-like, bacilli is again rod-shaped bacteria. Next we have cocci. Cocci is nothing but round-shaped bacteria. In this we have monococci. As the name says, monococci is mono is single and cocci is round-shaped. So single bacteria in a round shape is called monococci. Then we have diplococci. Diplo is two round-shaped bacteria is called diplococci. Then tetracocci. Tetracocci is nothing but, as the name says, tetra is 4 and cocci is round-shaped bacteria. So 4 round-shaped bacteria in a group is called tetracocci. Next we have streptococci. Streptococci is again a chain-like round-shaped bacteria is called streptococci. Then Staphylococci. Staphylococci is nothing but a bunch of round-shaped bacteria like grapes is called Staphylococci. Next we have Saccharina. Saccharina is 8 round-shaped bacteria in a group is called Saccharina. Next we have Spirulus. In Spirulus we have Vibrio, Spirochetes and Spirulina. Food is required for bacteria. What food they eat and where they get the food from. On the basis of this, they have divided the classification of nutrition. So there are 4 types in this: phototrophs, chemotrophs, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Let's see one by one. Phototrophs are those which can use light as a source of energy for the preparation of the food. They carry out the photosynthesis. In humans, we have ATP. Just like car needs petrol, bacteria needs electron source for the movement from one place to the other. On basis of this electron source, it is further divided into 2 types: photolithotrophs and photoorganotrophs. Photolithotropes are those which uses reduced inorganic compounds. As the name says, they uses chemical compounds for the energy source. Based on this, it is divided into two types again, chemolithotropes and chemoorganotropes. Chemolithotropes are those which gain energy from chemical compounds, and the electron source is again inorganic compounds. Chemoorganotropes. These organisms gain energy from the chemical compounds and use electron sources organic compounds. These organisms are those which uses carbon dioxide as a sole source in preparation of their food. These are again divided into two types, like phototropes and chemotropes. Phototropes are those, as the name says, it uses light for assimilating carbon dioxide. And chemotropes are those which uses chemical energy to assimilate carbon dioxide. Next category is heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are those organisms which rely on organic compound from other sources like plants, animals and humans for their carbon source. These heterotrophs can't fix carbon dioxide. Mostly pathogenic organisms are heterotrophs. Pathogenic organisms are those which causes diseases. There are two categories in this. Normal heterotrophs doesn't require that much of nutrition. Those are called simple nutrition. But the other category is fastidious heterotrophs, where they require special category of nutrition. Hope you guys understood the classification of bacteria on the basis of morphology and nutrition. Do comment and let us know your views about the video. Please share, like, subscribe. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Until then, keep loving and learning microbiology. Bye!